5 facts about Morocco in a minute. Morocco in Arabic is Al-Maghrib, which means the place where the sun sets. It borders 2 seas and it is only 8 miles from Europe. Morocco is an African country, not Middle Eastern and not European. Morocco is not an Arab country and the language spoken is not Arabic. While more than half of the population speak Berber language or Tamazight, the most common language spoken in Morocco is Darija, which is a mix of the original Berber language, Arabic, French and Spanish. Rabat is the capital, not Casablanca. Casablanca is the business capital of Morocco, and Rabat is the political one where big decisions are made and where the parliament is held. Morocco has a long, rich history, and Moroccans are proud of it. There are treasures buried all over the countryside, and sometimes diggers will come during the night to find it, leaving large holes. Berber women of Morocco tattooed their face as decoration and also to show their martial status as well as which tribe they come from. Every Berber tribe has a different tattoo. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for daily facts.